Hello, kids! Welcome to Vocabulary by Planet Spark YouTube channel. Land versus water animals quiz game. Hey, little explorers! Do you know which animals live on land and which live in water? Let's play a fun guessing game. Ready? Let's go! Question 1. Lion, land or water? Answer, land. Roar! Great job! Question 2. Fish, land or water? Answer, water. Splash! You got it! Question 3. Elephant. Where does it live? Answer, land. Awesome thinking! Question 4. Dolphin. Land or water? Answer, water. Yay! Super smart!
Fun activity time! Find something that lives in water around you. Picture, toy. Quick, 5 seconds.
Please like the video and subscribe my channel. Question 5. Frog. Land or water? Answer, both. Wow! Frogs can live in both. Question 6. Horse. Choose land or water? Answer, land. Nay! Great job! Question 7. Shark. Where does it live? Answer, water. Yay! Super smart!
Duck. Land or water? Answer, both. Quack! You're amazing! Fun activity time. Say it loud. Land animals. Water animals. Do a happy jump. Question 9. Camel. Guess. Answer, land. Yes, desert animal. Question 10. Octopus. Land or water? Answer, water. Wiggly win. Great job!
Hey, superstar! Ready to show how strong your words power is? Ask Mama and Papa to book your vocabulary challenge below.
Question 11. Penguin. Think carefully. Answer, both. Land plus water. Wow, you're so clever. Question 12. Tiger. Where does it live? Answer, land. Roar. You got it. Question 13. Whale. Land or water? Answer, water. Big splash. Correct! Say the animals' names with me. Tiger, fish, turtle, elephant. Go, go! Question 14. Crocodile. Land, water, or both? Both. You're right. Question 15. Dog. Land, water, or both? Answer. Land. Yay! You finished! Wow, you are an animal expert. You did such an amazing job.
To start your learning journey, click the link in the description. Choose your class, enter your phone number, and book your free demo today. Follow our other YouTube channel to help your child become a great speaker. Please like the video and subscribe my channel.